Welcome to Netcash Secret, where we simplify how to make money online using just your phone. Today, I'm exposing the real truth about making money online that nobody talks about. If you're serious about building digital income, listen closely. Section 1. Online income is not instant. Here's the first truth. Making money online is not a quick cash system. Real success requires consistency, skill building, patience, daily improvement. You don't earn big immediately, but if you stay committed, your results will grow month after month. Section 2. Your phone is a powerful tool. Most people think they need expensive equipment to start, but the truth is simple. Your phone is enough to begin. You can create content, digital products, tutorials, short-form videos, online services. Your phone is not your limitation. Your belief and commitment are what determine your progress. Section 3. Don't expect support from everyone. This is one of the hardest truths. People around you may not support your online journey. You may experience doubt, silence, criticism, lack of encouragement. But remember, your biggest supporters are usually strangers, not the people you know. Focus on your mission, not approval. Section 4. Value comes before money. Another truth people avoid saying is this. You must create value before you can earn. Online money comes when you focus on helping others through education tutorials, motivation solutions, clear information. This is how you attract YouTube monetization, affiliate commissions, brand deals, digital product sales, online opportunities. Provide value first, and the income will follow naturally. Section 5. One consistent effort can change everything. The online space rewards consistency. Many creators rise from a single powerful video, post, or idea. It takes just one piece of content to shift your entire journey. Don't stop. Your breakthrough video might be the next one you upload. Section 6. Long-term thinking. Wins. Here's the final truth. Making money online is a long-term strategy, not a short-term game. You build skills today, audience tomorrow, income later. If you stay focused, disciplined, and patient, your digital income will grow in a sustainable, reliable way. If you're ready to build real online income using your phone, follow Netcash Secret for simple guides, strategies, and daily motivation. Remember, your online success begins the moment you stop doubting your potential.